Follow the steps on how to create simple isometric text like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a black background. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Next, click Rectangular Grid tool and set it like this. Set it to center. And set the stroke. Go to Effect, 3D, and Rotate. Check Preview and set it like this. Press Ctrl 2 to lock object. Enable Trim View. Make black rectangle here. Press T and type the text. Select both texts and group. Set it to center. And group. Select and go to Effect, 3D, and Rotate. And set it like this. Press M and make a rectangle above it. Add a black-white gradient. Then set the opacity to multiply. Press G and edit. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.